monster dude. And it's very cute. And it's so soft. And it is so cute, guys. Look at him. Super slow rising. And I made this little bunny, which I'm going to take out right now. Ooh, the bunny worked out real well. So, yes, these are awesome and very cute. And here they are. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you guys this really cute monster and this bunny. So, yes, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!